and fear and fire yeast in womb.
And your pano,
menam dim,
and your fruit,
menam dim honam saka 2 years, to many 50 years. Fat the biaka home. The same in 48.
Oh, when the pano is a portrait. I say crow.
Many 48 years.
They are chow fat.
Many 48. Who shall be 48?
Aye, you're crying, shy. You cry who's all 48.
Who shall be a brapeny? Many 48 years. What it? I got 2 many 50. As I said,
answer somehow come back. Couldn't be a what to 20.
And what he says, what do you get away? Huh? Cabela or Milk, Second Kings Real Estate, the home for kings. Just call us on 0244645784. Fekwa Spray Starch, look sharp. Latest from your partner for life. Mighty Power, AC Hopoti, Lily Rice, Tasty Food, Happy Family. Tabia Heba, make sure you're true and authentic Heba. Sing and Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? One of the Swasinia, the Ebrew, Akasamedu, no, not Fay, no more trouble. Naming has situation so content.
Now, why are dear? Nana, medasi so wa hame na we free ekwa bwachewa ho. We say happy birthday nkoma Mrs. Janet Araba Asare Boaten. Ye tai friend no Brian. Ono ni kunidin. Wa fa Mrs. Yaw. Wa fa Mrs. Brown fa Brian ni jina nti tai friend Brian. Our Church of Pentecost e wo JC Kwe Assembly. We say na your 50th birthday.
Ono say aka 2 years na.
Nti we no free wukunu Brian ho. Ena wo ma ena wo se wo de ma wo. Ena afi nso so wo se Paul enso so Angel 102.9 FM Wakra ha. Ene e your birthday. Say wakoto wo Presbyterian Church of Ghana Newtown branch. Wo se ene e na wo da nyame asese enura 19th ode afeba akwa ka ne fi hu. Enti ni kunu odanase ne maame ne papa ne kunu ena afi ne maame madam akua frempoma ne papa Mr. Kwesi Asiama ne nuanom ya wo mo partners e Alliance in Motion Global Accra ne Kumasi branches nyina wo se odamu nyina ase wo de mayama no enti nana medase na Auntie Janet Mansa Asamwa wo ba ene Kwame Ochre ya wo ye doctor wo hwe nkwada ni yade wo Australia na ohwe nkwada nko baga na ohwe nkwada ni mpanifo nyina o Kolebu Eye Clinic say ochia wo na Mother's Day na obia di ni de awie no Mama Janet oba Kwame Ochre say afei na oma Happy Mother's Day sansa wo ye stronko wamfa wo di amfra dodo no wayi wo di esinchen eto ma Happy Mother's Day na nana ye kwa the bon krata no mu no the find the Democrat dey abase Ghana ban say who say mobile phones bi organa hanom a eye fake eti afei ena nani aba ne ho so a odi aba ebe famu na woni a ekraba ene woni a eton e wo Ghana ha no woni wo mu adi we ensam a Democrat edi aba woni fa etoso enum tu de kotebra
ma me kwa kuma so brada me de Mr. Yaw Dankwa or your criminal lawyer and trust so lawyer good morning but patron to say
yes,
so young here pa lawyer VGM media course so na shatter echo stage Stoneboy so a hooligan wo mremu no den e wo ho
well remember the two library he can say Sebio so a two to say o register so ko abem na o register and register so emra and da e wo home say nya de wo so timi betie kuta itu wo fakwa nipa dodo anase na Adom e wo enti no ya wo twitu na nukwa kankana wo twitu no kwam no etumra and I say so no ya go course was so no if I say abemu and say civil cases so no and no we should be me the action aba feel na or confu bi baba what you two now the different one and then you different but so akoni padom na stage so no akotwitu no obi anim ni ntia otwitu no na say obi to a ofu say to otwi the Tabono and Tumra or Ghana.
Now, sir, shatter so then says our court stage, so I bring you Ding.
Okay, said you, and then the every said their management, organizers, woman, over stage should be about the so we protect photocasem the free duty of care. So some protect and the moment that my shaka, 80 minutes so in the dome about stage so. Na emo from so organize no e wo mo emfom so but stone boys no e be no baka say bia esani oni ni akoso ni oni ni sharpenti no o so si bia o ba be ni binti na be ono tu echi to na eno no like a mitigation o be be canon but enye right say o betu to say bi or the defending no e wo di padom so you mean so catch organizers say one ban or the two action home and no man acquire and I say or catch a principal say or the two action home event way and no man acquire be in and you know say you say police for your more in the daddy then no me chairman so be a so make and say ultimate for two conipadomo and coaching or two men so ultimate yes
about the side charges bend a bit with their bomb.
Oh, I mean, a threat of harm. Charges that does be assault, the charge of assault. And no intensity is what be and as the name demo Lipakobi, woman Pakuno say, the baby, Mam Choir, and also charges and a public order offenses be between the abono firearm in the public place. So the charge is in there. Dawson Umukuna Umabona Dawson Blade. On no excuse of Mabiano, excuse what the punishment. Then yet excuse one must say or defense. And then the minimum acquire with me advising and say, on plead such defense. And
sir, on to me, please say self-defense.
Well, self-defense. Let's say over answer to Nippon and she to a message. Oh, yes, on over stage so no could do until they didn't defend the wall. And in fact, self-defense, protocol you see, you have to use a reasonable. And I ultimately use force you could be a civil and it couldn't be any ever so as it. And to the defense in any
sir, Obi Bow so let's say Okuta Kuntiba, Sasa so Cope Kuntiba.
A mano ASA, a mano and minimum, a man after why I couldn't know, no, I share. Force to call you see, force okay, Mama Hokwayana, and I say force any day, Emma Hokway. A very dicey, you see. We could have good tima, not what you're about for. Now, punch, who do some punch, so as it. A man can say a reasonable tima, but I want you to know. Excessive force. And to know, and no, I'm outside defense now.
But lawyer, some baby, a stage so major award, and I say, Ujna baby. Now, I will say, Obini Dome to boom about swa. Then I says, oh, you're defending.
And then I'll say, well, you have to run for your life, you have to hide. And I said, you say, if you are not or the Abba and now the visa is different. But it will. It's the end result of the gut. Well, no, can and I say, no life is bigger than the other. Your life is not more important than somebody else's life, and so you cannot take a life in defense of yourself. You can't.
Okay, in the
see who see, and I said your confulia ban or confulukuta bibi I will say anytime people are about to cool and I can about so and it's different. But in a public place where there are security around, organizers, things have been organized, cannot go there and pull a gun. Ghana is a lawful country. Rule of law works. It's not a lawless country.
And that Ahomano and Shadam Wyan Papa lawyer that say lawyer Yao, don't quite criminal lawyer. Mami kwa Ahomano Sona Fabene Abeku Santana and Dwaso. Bro, good morning. Hello. I'm Sabin Timinka. Moncheco.
The two Nobuko fan club members. The Nobuko fan club members. They are fighting.
Because your name say, ye can, and Ranty, you know, more was for.
Some of your cousins.
Debbie Stoneboy, Elfas Nesha Tawali. Stoneboy, Emma, auntie. Shatawali, mammy, auntie. And Stoneboy, mammy. And Shatawali.
And then saying Alpha.
Oh, tea, mammy, chum. Shatawali, mammy. Auntie. And Stoneboy, mammy.
Auntie says,
Nesse, why? It's no Omumi, no. Shatawali, mammy. And Stoneboy, cousins. Into the Shatawali, wafasi.
Well,
what you say?
Because when himself I said money
yeah. Because problem I want to say or entertainment space now. On say the be a kwa entertainment space ni enya mane nya kono e ma manfo mo menwem if it nyina no so because of person obonwa ebuni so esansani oyikohwani woni ani da so hu bia chese ono no wa etrutrasem sa no no nti afi na awurade adom anka entertainment space na ya kono a manfo betimi ama mo mawrem me kai se ne medical ma me di nkomo oso ono no mpese ne baba enwom akosu Japan osi na nakwa miampedu ene convince na busuafo ansa na omo na yenwom ene ade enti no se sa no ma we sa beba then it is confirming I know maybe a one crew for trim say sub entertainment space na honyo na hwan na be ma ne ba akobonwom na ona ma ne tuition ho
there be a hojo suniban
oh debi kwojo de make am tell
say I said that the lumba otonyom kwojo ntonyom
but that lumba more time na different
there be enye different
I say kwam Eugene tonyon
Eugene so tonyon
me
ba kwasi ata tonyon
Adom ebe kan sim bi o hit FM almost I retweeting o say Sad na ba na afraid beef na we abonwuma di we atem na ye hwe ni because that should be ye bekuta ne hwehwe because of sad nintino ene uko stage a omukwe show a uko backstage a anyomtofo no A-list artist omo magidi ni yi no obi ekutatu. That was what he said 6 months ago. Enye na nesi
senior
ye wo kroma kwa okese ekutietia a VIP for eba na wo said then there's wo stage because it antoa
Kwede
oko stage and a VIP for banner was then okutietia so stage banner be a trust of VIP okutietia so stage e to yi e ma sa akode akwa show no odwane free ase etinya baako enye mienu ye de no ma bi di agododo eni kwase etwen e ma ne duru ba bia e wa manfo se na otwen na wanto e na we si na ba ne se ne ba ne se nti ye ntwen ma obi nwu ansa hey Ghana yen twen mo bi ngu de bia yet kroma yes shatter fans we dem have Stoneboy fans we dem have
opeson obo mu mienu nyum mi show so enne
de nyabocho eni esamini ja ehye no nanke
wo mu mienu ina no memo 6 months ban on my show
I agree I concur.
I will not play Shatter song. I will not play Stoneboy song on my show. For 6
in fact, I agree.
If I'm not hosting, fine. But if I am hosting,
yet I wechi. And your Baba Samini, and your Boja
Shemay for 6 months.
And your Boja Shemay. Now, when him said, yes, see any CV at the
end of the year, Member Shatter and Stoneboy home.
Some 6 months, so end of the year, Bruce 6 months, and Tiaboboni December.
No cry more. Obi hosting on the body of but me a party no way.
Omuviana Samini Mountain Stage. 2020 I know my level ya dey kon and mountain stage you know this so jaise na no ma petesi apio de ya nche etu ba je se obi shala Opa just obishara. Senior na we say adia na eye fair makono pa say Ibra now we high life song of the year na anka Kwesiata himself by all means. Kwesiata bi ni so obefa. Young boy ba ku bi o so ka ho bi. Kwesi amfa mu wie ye na boy nanim anyinya na mu de na be just say so me perform it. We gina ho asankran ni gu no opakwan akọ boy na oh. Oh, I am fine. Oh. Incident they see and I say, Rebecca Teni, Kamaka says so far. VGM mea, oh my ya, Utimi say, Nipano, Matiwano, Obi to what you say, or Nimson Neberini. Say, ye baby and now say, now here any more at one. Ye will be on my Nipana or two on your ball. Na yidi dia bon se nipa kra start jubilate because when him dey why we chire when him so awen awie but this time around utimu say na omo hu no na nka we be beautiful is unfortunate say incident we see and so ni nyina achi no hwe media adwuma mu ha so obi twi to wo studio and just a radio presenter bi a ko studio a etu ohye no ho sure enti unya industry abaka so mu nyina perfect kakra na ewo mu na omugu nanim ase no Ghana police I salute you say no crap pass stone boy any shatter at that counterback e ma de chen o counterback what ma sell me think counterback kran kamani age na cells it I salute you this morning
shatter or tesano and your friend say Bim Nation, Stone Boy, Stone Boy, when the papa Persiaso, son of papa, never Samini, Joe, never Pam Persiaso. A year pass, or mut me ye young quan, come any budget. Now, me can't show Mummy and what you do for and say. Police form Emma on form when they see from Bim Nation, a cheetah form back down Swan Police Station, and you woman. Na shata so shata movement na chidifo a ombekọ tesano ho bia yenche omu nyina
solidarity ho
Debi ankatu oto ye na
ayi wa bedamo o yes ayi wa bedamo
ayi wa maninam
obekọ tesano
mekwa ya chi na kotu ni ma ha ni ma no obedi kan akwakoda tesano mpodi omo dan ne mo no ahwa ne ho efe mepe bebi a yesi ya che yenche wo mungum na mra ne nya adwuma pepepe we love them omonyo me nim nipa ba kwa me penasem me penyum wa wonyo me de bia mpe wasem but to this extent sebi increasesem to this extent increasesem enti wasem rani omudi so Ghana police I salute you my dear pa na me sham tinana yeah title saba ya ka 3 minutes so and e fa de bonka cha twim na find title safai na wokasa Ghana be abre when I'm deputy communications minister George Anderso ese one year wo muto mobile phones a enya papa yesi phone bu ho no mo a wodi si charger etimi hiti wodi to nso ma etimi di dware ma yeye ebi won so a wato no wa yusu a chakura 1 week wonya call a phone ni ringe enso ani yusu na wapeke ni nyina wo krom ha yesi binum ye fake enti aban se nani abre wo ba be yi sa chaff ni nyina free system num se de be ya ye moka ento ade a enye pepa today the bokrata nso nie en wo say ya bo NDC ni bidin say atuo yi a ho nsem be ye deja wo social media ma ye di ho nkomo hu say yesi sa nipa kro waji tumi krata no na ya to aba wi am ye ba bedane tumi kura dia ma ban ya woti so yi en NDC amanyoko company for so afo no wo hwe omaya manyo yensam so ma tumi krata ma nipa na wo kratuo no baaye no wo de kokko kratuo no.
Me was 7 questions meaning so one answers mamia
me try.
Okay, first one nipa na no kratuo no wakrabida
mini answer.
Okay, say ye ma etuo license say fa kokko kratuo ko man bia mu a edi 1 year say expire. Adentina that agreement na aban ne papa na okọ create but was vague. Then the expiry.
And so many answer.
And so many answer. Okay. Adentina etuo no na say a year 3009. Na etuo no kwaya 4000 pieces.
And so many answer.
And so many answer. Okay. And your question number say
number 3.
Number 3 and also would be answer. Okay. Na etu no so ebeduru Ghana no. Anye bia answer na abante no fi US fi Massachusetts ba ya okọ hoko hu ye oye video no. Wo mu bia so no mo ye inspection no. I didn't say I'm a national security minister uncle.
Eno so menya answer.
I didn't say BNI director, so I'm an uncle.
Eno so menya answer.
And also we need answer. Okay.
Oh yeah, you.
Me
Answer may I fail you.
My next question, ne say. Abanyo was to say yes, Subai. Arrangement in a contract be near maybe or what. Who say it was not in the best interest of this country. Into review be. Otabim. Where is it in the best interest of the country?
And the answer no. And the answer now.
Is it
Sanka ni bibia ye pepepe 1 year na wo say man sa tumi no betimi dia kra tu no is within if it's within 1 year na or ye genuine businessman ya o ye nadwuma say okra tu why any license why any bibia anka me nka no
Ghana ni bi wo ha okra arms or international arms dealer or Ghana ni
business legal
and legal or legal okra tu or international arms dealer and a wakra etu when you're a contractor was South Africa and a wakra etu no the South Africa 2 years and they are still investigating and say I'm a true number one can't chance with them by your bonnet I'm so on your bonnet but as I say you examine each arm and say 2 over 6,000 pieces no you examine no makoma answer your man.
It's an another sedan. Madam Masema, come back.
Answer your macquame to no South Africa.
Could you the nomad diagram?
Serious.
Ye Chayama, dear Cosu and Crofamans on the BSC answer. Yet to crow him in a bit to just Sala, is it West who said then? Nipa Mako 400. If you Burkina Faso a bit pim woman.
Bro.
But the Bianfan DC in the Kaya 400. Omu bedru crow wemu. Settle there, Boma Pata or Mutim and San and Penfons or Maba. It year finds a side pay in any pabon for no Mabi Remo or Mayma, and Uncle Mamma Bonsa send or mobile or more friendly Pemanke Kumo. Even with this, what is the guarantee? Say, Nipa body for being frame, as Amrica say, woman not be frame. Oh.
Now we name Nara Hosam say a terrorist attack. Ye near break ye bob binding sorry near nam. Now cast a terrorist and sebi we Jimiana. Na se na asori dem kura ne woni tirimu a oba betena Ghana ha na de bia mo kana sorry na ye mountains wan na ye terrorist na dem na asori dem ha no so obeko and ye ja ye marketplaces ye ja ye malls ye ja ye schools na secondary school ba kumpo secondary school ba kwa kwalawo school mu ye blast ani how e de beba
make us say
ye ja de aka ni nyina no be attention na won sorry because ye say asori any o mo target wo Ghana ha enti asori na sorry dem sorry so aka say e wo kromu
make us say aban bi talkers ma police service no nya hwi
na said ye
make wo Jo Mahama time NDC for di matem na na do time make be so nkwada no bi kwatena Facebook ni ade di matem hwe Ghana police service they still remain the best police service in the whole of Africa
even though say 1964 manual the training
they still remain the best. Our UN keep missions are all African countries have could be 10 Ghana in a command. Ghanaians are still adjudged the best our UN missions. It tells you say police for a woman one we independence.
And then correct.
Ghana police service in independence and then you are na number 2, we hear near Maya the year Juma, we need your tone. Major Derrico Fancy, Odromwa.
Yeah, Major.
Time I know opposition. Or can't say fire service a great tank when your petrol fund could do that.
So on the back say a Ghana police service man where did training on me in 1964.
Oh, by Assasa.
Meaning say you my for fraud there.
Assasa.
MC Yana near Bisan, so mobile my
and near my police for the Bay Juma. You wouldn't be. Ghana penny you the difference between a security camera and CCTV camera. CCTV camera, yeah, security camera. Sometimes I listen to people and I'm like, wow. A country who don't know the difference between a security camera and CCTV camera. And the CCTV camera is not a security camera.
Now don't say quite a while.
Besin ne. National Security Office wana a 2 near go obi antimi kwa attack one in quotes. A wana cameras wo. Go to the ministries, departments and agencies. Now check maybe cameras where you juma. Cameras no crab baby a one chief executive in office. And on the monitor. So be baho. No that's will be ma. Trained officer ben the ministries, departments and agencies are one more responsibility they say one be share cameras no analyze videos every day. If indeed we have a terrorist threat to Sedenya. The Adibesi Sikwem we do a flash and a tow and crowd driver ye. Did you see airport one in Cafe found out to any Nipa no yes I didn't see one or two coin who and sana what yet.
A child is set it a camera and a frown.
I don't say.
But you are
this is Ghana.
Yeah, the no media grow.
Yeah, we are near blaming Ghana police service and the police fire saying, you see,
Yamin, Yamin.
What the Ghana by talk cars my police for when you bra can wasem. Yet Memuha and China for any other countries, other nationals, because they are talk computers at the Kwakoma security agencies. Na ye near Genia Buy and some moment ceremony near Domasi. How a protete could do pempen so bay. One mum with Casamu from Concoto computer, so on what to computer at the bro.
Says software ben,
them. Said tracking devices ben ye dear shim. Now ya dear security agencies. Now a brony bayenti. Now ya genie near.
Yeah, Debia Mikaya CEO as a corporate world no Ghana police service na ye. Corporate world who was Sika Fakoma police hierarchy. Where in this world? Honorable Titus Glover Co School or London. Where in London? Now be who police barrier. Yeah, advert one. Where in London?
We're near the sticker bomb.
And now be who police barrier. Yeah, advertising foam. Yeah, advertising condom.
Hey, Radio Omega. Drobun Quentia.
Where? I mean, where?
Nane, police station, Nanka says you want no. And you see, can you be Nancy Macron?
Eti, when I'm Quemu Qua, yeah, may call Central Region over the weekend. Barrier be able to be advert or barrier no.
Na so more money or my yabon, woman, I don't need it.
No! Give the money to the Ghana Police Service. Let them acknowledge you by writing to you.
Hey, no better than Faso.
There be and I buy a secret in Tembia and Yano.
And so when you be the Nisika
people who are rich can infiltrate into the security. Yes, you corporate world and more corporate world in everywhere in the world. But you don't have the right. Fasikane ko some supposed for me here raincoat. Says I tell you. Sanka, yenim crofo the raincoat near the Ghana Police Service for the torchlight by Tinaka ya throw donated by so and so. Where in the world do you see security officers ekuta torchlight ne buttons ne rocks ne waders are that donate test needing order?
In Ghana everything is possible.
Nana mbisa say.
Nana
mbisa say kokomlemle ha ho sikani bi wa ha no say ma hu say police for kokomlemle mwatena yenye ti masiden ya furniture ne kama media mamo na ade a chena ye chisa sikani no wo fa ase atum na oba na osi we de munyai na asemi ne kan beda fom
osi oye de oba omma
obefa fom
eye phone call.
You see, yeah. I won't say security agencies need him, but there's a way to do it.
You don't have to make them cheap.
You're chipping Ghana Police Service. What him say? Besin there. Police phone be woman do music Tom handcuff.
Oh,
handcuff now.
I am telling you. Police wear a Tom uniform. Now bet you any senior officer or radio so I catch you. So if you want to look nice and neater, as I say, what tower there. How?
Could you, Mamika, some way? You what tema? Me kai say a story.
Chudi.
Police for an entire day. Do much this with it. We join is so much.
No, that's enough.
Besin the Ghana Police Service and been tata dear ma woman share boots. Obe share police no share tuntum no share or share camo boots.
Camo boots.
Geokra. Nimi am soldier for the copy skipping. O se wo ba to boots.
O se kra do ko kantamanto abi o. Me kra me
adai.
O kantamanto go
be. Security agencies no more bro.
Adai. I mean,
Ebino bre pa.
Wo mu ina Ghana forces. Tifa Bema camp. Nsemi na ne kan radio suntra. Fabema company.
Unim say police for na ya omodi moto ene nam hwe didi mpanyifo anim no insurance mo.
Never insurance keke. They are not holding arms.
Senyame mfa sa ama kakra bran na hwe no ano no e ono obusu.
Police for Yakubu di moto shi wo say boom. Oh wu ye. Ha? Minister no di nanim kwa wankwa ye ni bi.
It's sad.
Boom.
Na babia police for beda wo bowura ayi tema militia house. Udru ha obeka se troubles.
Na Dubai ye na dispatch rider bi anya accident wu ye. One for 4 times dispatch rider wu ye. Yakubu wu ye. Professor Mercy time back wu ye. JM time back wu ye. Ebi I want to nyandi 8 years in we into the. You see, and we are not resourcing them. You made one in Yako. Who baby na who police in the crowd back. The way the person one dress crack kena obano is enough to tell you say why you ready so be you.
Na police IDs ni prosecutors e work out. Omo bro. Sometimes enema bu agi so no adi ni sikaye.
So open ya
obre just on no adi ni sikaye. So di we nechi a o case ko ni nsam a obe relax e be foolish case.
Prosecutors e work Ghana police service mo mu ni office.
No.
Enti car na ekuta no na ye na office. Tenu mu na docket no na adi ni na.
That is your worker.
Your worker.
Yes, e shene moto.
Eti e shene moto modru fia no waja gu ho.
No be fa na.
Obi be fa. Wo be blame police officer no. But enye na adwuma so de docket no be ko ni fie onye judge. There should be an office or a prosecutor. But on the office. Yeah? And then when there's a trend to be honorable one here, Mr. Wako about Interior Minister man here. Yeah, the prisoners SS Sika Ewokwem.
How?
Yes.
Oh, so make an last week crash.
Yeah, the prisoners. Who be do na one more proper kwemu no. One more prayer route baby and no majai. Make us obi a me yibi me trebi me sheda na me maaye.
Oh, minim so apra na de me hu so mo pra.
Na mo sesre sika wo kwan nim. Yes, prisoners we ni kwan so kuta sika wo prison ho. It is a sika na omo sra na omo gye no omo de ma hwan.
Na prisoner na wa na be ye adwuma no owie ye na wo gina ho a wo to sresra de no na me kunu no na me bia mi gate ase wa hura simu
mentiase say almost racist kasa de na ye omo because at the end of the day no moba abeso moman is part of adwuma wo sam ye no it is kana almost stress say Ghana for de omo ka na say den e ho no mentiase
say de wo sre wa medanka
wo de ma men kwa ho ma no somra amen komra na mene Chris Connie on the year head of PR Emma Shatawale. Chris, good morning.
Good morning, Captain Smart.
Nice to say.
Nyame Adom bi abako na we.
Oh, yes, so Nyame Adom ye ho ye pa.
Ya da Nyame ase.
Shatawa he say.
Enra of police station. Regional commander, it was detained actually.
It was different, say.
No, it was detained.
He was detained.
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. Now, what me a question?
As a matter of fact, I'm almost there, as me know can say.
This whole thing, then a coffee way in Abaye, about saying a shut a sorry fee crowd in him, say, or cost stage, then see here.
Okay, first of all, my person will platform way, so to apologize for whatever happened on the night. Personally, and from the team's perspective, it wasn't the best. It wasn't in good light, and it's rather unfortunate it happened. But one thing I want to put out, I want to state categorically and say, there's no time, or there will never be a time Shatta or have any ill feeling or have any bad motive towards a colleague in the industry. Yes, there are times, it's just a game, and Shatta plays around with some of these things. But in reality, he will never have any bad intention for anyone. If we recall, I think sometime back 2015 at the Foresight Awards, the same category, I think Stoneboy won. Shatta and his team went on stage, celebrated. It was just a nice thing. When it comes to VGMA, Shatta has been, it's been back and forth with Shatta House and all that. They reached out to us for their 20th anniversary. We met them, we spoke to them, and Shatta gave his commitment to be part of the process and support, to make sure that it's going to be memorable, it's going to be classy. As we all know, it went to Kumasi, performed. It's been very active promoting the, awards, urging his fans to vote, and it's just been a beautiful thing. And before Eba Awards, even for him, he was thinking, say, oh, what can I do to make sure that this event is going to be memorable? Unfortunately, time your friend 2 awards in Yana, we had not reached there, so he couldn't have gone. He couldn't pick it up himself, because if he had gone on stage, at least at least they would have given people the indication of what he was looking at or what he sought to do. The long and short of it all was this: Shatta just feeling it's the 20th anniversary, and having spoken to Charterhouse and everyone in that ecstatic mode, it just felt it was just to symbolize unity in spite of what has been happening all this while between Ononi other musicians. It was just in good spirits. However, it was misconstrued, or it was taken on another way. But then, unfortunately, and that was what happened. Unfortunately, yeah.
It's now our cohort to congratulate Stone Boy.
Yes, certainly, yes. It's happened before. It's not like on year be that. Foresight Video Music Awards, they did a similar thing.
Okay, so I did a more general who fear and Samoba.
Oh yeah, for me, Shatta is someone, or maybe sometimes on New Kasa. He was even looking at the fact that winning awards, Anna Stone Boy, it was more like the same category. He could have even said, "Oh, my boy, Charlie, I win the thing, or you make or next year you go win." So he was just looking at cracking jokes and all. Those things. We come in Kasanoka or say if he had gone on stage to speak, or we can't just say, award winning, or no Ankasani dia or Bamudia man and Yeshi. But going for I want to make sure say, oh, just to crack jokes and just to make it lively and fun, yeah.
I didn't say, Baby Sana, what plan is Obeya. Na fans ni bebre su di nachi
Jose.
Fans ni bebre na di nachi koye because this beautiful idea so be to congratulate boy.
I think the unfortunate thing is once Shatta, it was another thing is it was in the crowd. Not on the VIP area so not on the crowd or can say at a point so per se on Kotna VIP because your friend now it will be easier say onya or winning award easier and see I say all corner say boys now around they just need to clear the way for him man that's how come say in Crawford people had to be with him just to clear the space because now on person be far in Crawford anymore. So just a person funny side or no. And see, I think the numbers of the people that were with him that might also have given a wrong indication.
But you know one kasa wo.
In fact, me were backstage. Now you're working on the performance for the night. And so now me need George Quay. Can you put who time? Nani stylist in the account. Now you preparation. And see me were backstage. And I starting your calls. Me by inside.
Okay.
At the time at the NEC and I got were backstage. I feel until move for me before me by inside.
Okay. Then I didn't talk about it. We would do stage and say then because now me from what the accounts mean and say I think because one say like Mika the boys no more clear space in mano. So I want to believe say Abia Stone Boy and in Crawford I don't know maybe what they have thought and Abia what made them think say Abia was an attack or something. Abia because they were leading Shatta to come. Abia Muhu said like the number is no something. I'm not too sure. I can't, to be honest with you, I don't want to go and speculate or say anything, but maybe I'm thinking say Abia the numbers and then Kofuno Muni or Mudi Shatta Nime Banontina, No, okay. Where do police station hall?
In Pachai.
Hey, I do take Cantabac and that's what I want to sell.
That is something the legal team handle because we also had a few cause to worry about certain things because the issue at stake is about gun on stage and between myself and you and now Obiahun say and Shatta he didn't bring a gun to the stage and all that. So if the issue at stake is about gun and all that and he was told say he just needed to give an account of what happened. So then to be detained, it's another issue, but we are leaving it to the legal team to handle that, because to be very honest with you, I think it wasn't fair, because if you had indicated to Nipanese to come give a statement to help in our investigation because, someone had brought a gun there and you know the gun by.
I saw a tweet, but unfortunately, I can't find it. Or can said you see about a year ago or sometime back in the Besensi. Are you aware of that tweet from Shatawale?
I see tweet
said you see some time back, 2012 in the Besensi.
No. I think you called Joy FM. I think George played Bisana about when we need awards and now be there. And I think Shatta is come of age. A lot has happened. A lot has changed. If you spoke about it, it's one of those things. Things that happened in the past is happening in the past. He made it categorically clear on Joy FM. I think if you say over time, over to me at his interview, even went back to speak about what transpired 2013, what led him to do all those things. So I don't think it has that intention. No, it's moved on from all those things.
But Adom Bisa, as the head of PR, we are aware, he sent out a tweet. I mean,
I've not seen the tweet, the said tweets. No.
And will you be our monitoring tweets now?
Oh, certainly, yes. So there are times there are certain things they put out there. He'll tell me, "Oh, Chris, I want to say this, I want to say this." So I'm saying, "Oh, okay, just frame me this way or some way." There are times he goes out to post certain things on his own, but every now and then I'm always on his feed, so I see things. Yeah.
Okay, one tweet be sir.
No, it's not. I've not come across it.
Could that be a fake one? Could that be a fake one?
I'm not in a position to say, because I wouldn't want to speculate or say something I don't have. I'm not. It has to be factual. And I could actually cross check and get back to you. In fact.
Okay. Honorable Titles Glover say Obefreo. All right then. Midasi.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
God bless. Israel.
All right, Chris Connie, head of PRM Shatawale. Yeah, we try and say you be Stoneboy PR team and so I don't know. They are not answering their phones. Yes, someone with me afa. More calls na be boy na what's happening.
What went on? Magana music.
Must say football.
Magana music, because you see, said you see reporting a crano. Even in the international community, because you know the waha obekaya, and Ania discusses that Ghana has now moved from a stable, peaceful country to a relatively unstable, peaceful country. Yeah, discusses Adio ha, MRD research beer, Omokas Ghana yehu and tourist about then. And one of the places that attracted tourism, a music industry, and so two big giants in the music industry show. Now if baby as will be a 20 or baby show or baby entertaining a home. Now if baby as according to church in there, then we have a cause to worry. I'm talking about Shatter's intention to go and congratulate Stoneboy. Yes, I thought the be a trimmer sem no but the train your boyfriend ya payment with you.
But so I be there.
A kwanya how fast are there one videos now. Time my Shatter eba no no kwane buy you.
I say na guys, so that's the unfortunate.
On the team. It's na omuni di animu na Shatter di echi.
I say omo buy kwen mama.
Eti omo eba no steps na no. And a Black City Bejina steps na no. So omo ma. Eti they were forcing to come and a Black City epia baako. Then they started throwing blows. They traded blows on the stage. Is that how to congratulate somebody? No, yet me industry name many pam you no pam mo say industry name my. Why?
Nyabuche. No more overflow. And no say on more kwan fro. Sani panel no no responsibility so best stop you from
Black City a Stoneboy manager.
No, I understand. But now the responsibility
security for na no omo kwa echi.
And why not stop you from?
So we best stop you then it should be the security.
So why that person?
No, but security behind went to Onyama BBC or protecting the artist.
Mamin Fabeku Santana. Obibeka said why I say yes, stretching this issue. The most important thing is that see any peace we can fight corruption. peace in Nikrum. Nobody can even have the mouth to sit on radio and talk about corruption. And Minimsa Upeso Tifa was by Mr. Audin Abuteka Kramame. Abeku Santana is senior broadcaster. Abe, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Now, Bibi Abakode.
You are Adom
Dayamia says, "Oh, we are pa no pana me mamba hobby. China me say one sound na me busa say e ban sa no wo ye de obi anya wo hwe."
Obi anya me hwe but pepper spray na omu spray. Minim say pepper spray, minim say tiega, but I started coughing. Na me was sinusitis kakra nti ama my reactive from Dana Bepim and now me no kase and rather name me meaning na sisi into me allergy drew kakrase a bit me about phone, but apart from that then me okay.
And Minjin is no bit me aye juma.
Oh may juma.
Oh may juma. Me say me per radio no so per papa. Somewhere you no be beka wo esi wanim. Then see here.
Yo, Captain Michia, Adom for you na said you as a food in a share, do present the next batch of award, which was Reggae Dancehall Artist of the Year. And he said the tradition, Obeba, Bidika, introduce then Waka, the nominees. You show nominees New Year and Sana card now, Modiama, what Tiano, because you are clipping to me, Medebampo, meaning. The arena to nominees video ni show we and sana watiano to tiano we are now announcing. Now minim said that category ne quite tensed because a buy me fan say 5-6 years in me and first time na buy music in it's evolving new genres of music into with time Charterhouse expanded the awards, Yenya Afro pop, Yenya dancehall, a new genre of music, about your mainstream music. In the first one, na kaki, and I feel it's Stonebwoy, so Abejibia. And me announce and the winner is Stonebwoy, and they walked up on stage. Tomoba and I present a plaque at their mom. Because that's how time na plaque ni kra a rubber fan say oshana on the buy iti omo buy na me plaque na me de man me share Stonebwoy sa I feel the me who say my attention e film so echo the other side and me who say time omo gina on Black City a movie because omo say shatan so ne enko bi ba iti I feel there when you baby a plaque in a cramp fire, do a movie called The Other Side. You know some more contaqua. I didn't now just idea more Nanko no way. Police 40 ministers near ambassadors at Titiano Moyesi. Iti a Yamawa me too and a Mijana me show na everyone just a dear normal and everyone me want to say now go for news idea with TV so now I didn't declare no more I just ask myself this question, but maybe catch him say you come to me now being not chairman general or yet the main MC no only the ecoso I want to be quite saying I'm a catch and say the ecoso and oba na obekasa na yola ayuade see you almost buy bekasa ti pinchi hoye basa ko premise you say me started say me coffee finu so bi aso coffee and then na fe de who say sabia obi spirit because all of a sudden then we started coughing especially omo moti enimo any omo stage in so no na mu say bi no de to mago e katakata and handkerchief e kata omo hune then I saw impedifoni be being evacuated through the back stage and omokoya but my uncle I stayed there remained there with Charterhouse Impedifoni to make sure say program no be to me akoso and of course inti Stonebwoy mo pie na Chata mo zo pie but almost Stonebwoy mo san ba back and I'm going continue awards inti ubusami de na me to me aka afa ono
what can say who be na ye wonwa then papa na hu ye man na ye wonwa
the M1 is a first no more because I didn't think I may present the award I feel the me one is I don't talk and sabi KPMG na the event statisticians are almost the audit and answer results na aba na me so ye dia ma me se member presenting ma presenting na adiwe ya 20 years and talk we bi amba enti di omo ye no honestly na me menchase na fe so no security soldier for the police for bigina ono mo kwase omu bia ne di omo ye na I feel like na again na be show we mu ntia 740 among for boom at least as a muse we chick ample facing 24 where there say me the kasa ample to me check as a respect before etiti anymore so be kasa ample me be kasa ample pay me ni check at the boom now mo dey mo na stage so bucket there any idea me because Metiwo Jina Nanko for sending me messages from US and Canada, so yeah, share Ghana Music Awards. I was comporting myself, say, the mini BB Grandpa, Ubeka, so, Nasi, and I said, oh, sorry. The Omoya and in Ukrainian and Coupe, and your fair.
And Tokwano, why na chassis?
The Obesha said they made them said they become Mimijina. The other side, yes, stand now may present your awards, It is Domboy J, the plaque, Today, me who ya say, ne road manager, Black City, say, Upia of Shatamo Mobile, the Danin Tokwatch, wait to, now we are to. Na Stoneboy who filming chain with Jan a plaque, Nema. One of the boys, also called join in. Into Oba back, and I made a original movie. Oba back, and I mean, I say it too, it cannot they share. Natadium. That's all that I saw.
Now, on also now to man.
Oh, yes. It was highly tense. To be a buafu, kitty. Now, Captain, Yama, the precedents are anyway in Aba. You see, a movement now, no movement near following him. Sack Natives, Beam Nation, SM Family, High Grade Family. I say, Mutia, if you are not deep in the music industry, now unko events, you don't know the magnitude of movement and are following. They have influenced the youth. Myself, even Umuti hairstyle to say Omo. If you show my card there, there was signs. We are yes. Sana clan, any gangsterism, started with American. Sign be a bay, who's a Shatanko for sign or way, be nation for sign or way. Your omuti hairstyle, this is baby, sir, beefing. Gangsterism na eba your music industry no baby I could do no na say because of internet they can even influence people across the country without physically seeing them because unam kuma ube stickers a bot trotron driver no uhwe ne ye ne bi o ka che o say ono oye Beam Nation and the Biafra Beam Nation president one Obeyo Bibi. Sounds SM family for Oka Bibi Tia Shatawali Oka or Yadane Oka Bitiana or Nubeko. So this is how much they have influenced society and a very serious sense of mine, especially our security agencies, because some between a problem about me. You heard the Uganda, of course, even with the musician, how influential he is. I help them from day one. I will be anymore. And Sabi Ubuno man farmer make our stage, be because they were nobody. They catch on, they had nothing. Sabi, you won't be dimpo anymore. Sabi. Now coupon nam yeso na ja ye bubu shoes na ya di kafa produce ye di o makoso na di o mutu kwan any ade and o nyina be do be o madi nti ye bre e the business e dey more ne o ma be do baby because it's almost start bobo international shows no o mo yes they are disrespecting us and the ban is the young up and coming o mo ba we don't want to help them because we can say o bo mo no be kesia sebi omo for buma nti di omo ni ye ni nyina we condemn it in no uncertain terms say omo anyini but it is a caution to us as a country say yenkohwe enyum na emebu ni ye no and then chronicle they started from 2000 in fact started from 1998 how Exdo EDD Reggie Rockstone at them or president or new resident Mekwa or sacred president name Aba Waba Obeko Chicago Ebeba how Lord Kenya or Brafo Papa Saku say why ye and found so no more but if you know Ben Abu I think you them Opa Cafe baby fair party 18 no say be like personal first no come the boy kutia nti what follow you match now tie nyumo pa obehu sabi atimbidi keke fusu ene samini batman na through me you make the oga hwe ye pe akokona we a wo se gogome no eye mugis no ye samini the backing vocalist time keke fusu ene kokoveli ene samini muntemutiti ye no na gogome which is present day mugis no na backing no nti yepe akokona we also gogomi na je so no keke fuzu na akokono na wo akofa gogomi ababedi wachi ba se de kai na se ze yakutia nti se wo ni nyumunumu a wo nti ase na se sia de bi baby o mububodin na sia internet so amasa movement no aba they form family and clan eti omo following pa se bi no kasa se na security say last 2 weeks and last week say omo ba the experience concert Independence Square na and quite the west because chapter urban or not motorbike so na dom we di na chi no masa police for 20 point me support and stop you because they have influenced them such that say we see from kwano mantia we have seen it. At time we shut off here, Bruce, or by airport. Said the dumb motorbike near the idea. Say, yes, Shanghai was near my one. At the hard game, need to know, be near Jumaya, into Sabe, drinking, and I am a hobby. If they are under influence like that, I did be a muyibiano, almost reasonable care, and to no more Yama Basabasa. The police wire, it's in the right direction. They should call them to order. They should punish them. Now, almost signing a bond of good behavior. So they followers in the who say, Sabi leaders and our friends or more semi-gods, and I say nobody can touch them. And maybe to me because Andra before police were free, shut up. Any stop correct social media so. I can be. I hope people no much as and talk and I think maybe out of that intelligence and a police from we shouldn't take it for granted because our members need to be started so more because in talk social media so Twitter, Instagram, any Snapchat in talk so sa a family in temuno one shot a bit trigger down to their members. It's the police wire it's in the right direction.
It's it's a threat to Ghana music, and
yes, it is. It is a threat. It is a threat because it's evolving. An emerging threat. So they begin first now lyrical wars, but you see, I know about forming groups, and they call it movement. And when they move with such people. What do you Obama Satan Kobo show? Let's say Domi Bidinachi. Udema Stoneboy and Kobo show. Sakwade ba show. Samini Bashua, Domi Diomachi. Eti sa influence no manyano. E ma so mu koboshua. I say ye triple or quadruple at security for them because we shouldn't think so. Nipa 500 and Nipa 1,005 into 50 police because members, if you are grandpa, event organizers, they don't want to conform to the instructions. They will not obey any instruction. Then Sabi will be Kojin Award now a shatter echo stage. Say a young no person congratulating her. I don't know friend in call for alcohol. I didn't know friend in call for alcohol. Now the internet stone boys will need to a shen on echo. So who threat who feel say there's a threat on your life because of the presence of a year. That's how we inform the police. Meanwhile, last week, the week before Endrano, Me na me MC experience concert, you know. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Sakwa perform here, Samini perform here, Stonewall perform here, Shatawale perform in the open space of Independence Square. Nothing happened. In the identity and award, no. It is because of that category, no. Category near category as Stonewall afa 4 times. Kaki afa once. Now, no sooner 2014, Shatta Eba back, no. Also, head dance or king. Now, almost the Sereno say, one for that. Into your fire, no. I just say, I on your hand. I say, catch you, say, oh, your dancer. And already, no, so no. Award winner and Oma man, high life artist. It's, you know, Omuhu, say, Munamunim, Sergeant Lee, Otashi Uchati, or the Sereno, so the night, the Sabi, or friend Apache, or the Sereno. So, and also Esreno. It is and Tokwa Akosu Muache, and award in particular, they say before the buy. That category, the genre of dance hall. Why they dance hall?
Yeah, bet me put it together. Business development won't be on what ideas. So to me develop BB. Now you share this following. Cause I had the beja in there. Menyan and Tekrasa say Tesano police station hono. Shut up microphone be crack Ebinum so called maybe a stone boy war dance. So man near there. Won't bet you much down by your fancy. Come ben bet me channel this energy and at this movement. Now I be productive.
I think that security agencies, you know, should take this as a cue. And they're not only the artists, even a software, software will be the or the church members, police will invite you, and then you see politicians. He invite you to police station. It tells you influence. As I said, security agencies, you know, MOB who said, look, we are BBT Amrana, I'm running nobody. Your followers can cry. Excuse me to say, whole day, a man in the obedile. Ebema will be careful. That's a face who yama pepe will be a be way. And I feel so no, Mim could you be a chair, meaning said they're making a chinic channel. Because when you say, we don't need to even develop anything. The security experts know better. They just have to enforce the law. I mean, laws already public disorder. Act or law be invoke the sanity about society. You know, they can do it. We don't need to make new laws. And man, they are ordered that because say artists go now go for the motorbike, so no more say helmet. No me traffic construction crime is an offense. To me dealing with them. What are saying? And man, you might and we say they are Mafufrana, you be developing with the security agencies, especially the police, must be stern. They must be assertive in making sure, sir, they ship everybody to law. Order. And no. I mean, go show. How do you see ka? Sabe, onko fobe to me a but say, omo be to trust them. Be found kunya. SS nema. Omo my event organizers ebre. Nti eba ne sa sisi a boshu. Ontumi fa Stonebwoy and Shatta Emba because omo nkofo no be ba be ko. And yeah, first time, S concert a Boshubi, and I think Guinness is Boshubi, a stadium, and also Samini, any Shatta and Antokano, the woman Mupa, Abinabu, a baby fee party, Abana. The one where stadium, the one in France, Eba Motu, Ebanesa Omumbu security, Bia, MCU, Wayo, they don't mind anybody. I think that baby of Conon, Omoyamo, Mania Trom, too much in penny 4 2 penny 4 where you we can't disrespect them in public.
All right.
We cannot. And yet, I mean, so on the front to now we soon call for Colonia the Adom. I'm far respecting my penny 4. It's not right.
Abe that's
it, Captain.
Abe Santana now, Tessamino, Ebo. And come on, no production decision. Said a time in the told you we need peace. Me Bruno, Edwin said that ni hosa, but I don't so. The air corner. We need to channel the energy into something else. I think, sir, Minister of Business Development, your friend, say, we should look at all these things and how we can, re-engage these youths and then rechannel the energy into something else. I mean, that's really going to help. Shannon Sumami say a Vitamilk, Greenfield Scientific Herbal, and Franco Trading. Na boy any the faber was so bro yem fan krato him. Yemeba.
Some mobile faber was wrong.
Debbie,
happy.
Yeah, faber was no.
Debbie, Maminka, happy belated birthday. So happy belated birthday to my wife.
And then right, brother.
Yeah.
I want to be from your radio this one wishing all.
And you heard me, I'm a man.
Yenny
Abigail. Kumi, aka Abikus Papevi. I love her so.
Don't come here, don't come me, don't come me, don't come me let, don't come me wah.
Franco Trading Enterprise at the up to 30% cool discount deal. And the Emma war, depending on what you buy.
Phones, accessories, tablets, flat screen, TV, laptops, and all printers. From Franco Trading Enterprise, just sort it out.
And when you download the Franco app, Google Play Store, the place you order, near my good discount, cool job.
And your papa, you know, Pebia, when you Franco branches in your dada, Brownie Mobi, your be new branches, UTC roundabout or our Despa building at Chihuahua, La Paz, near New Boy Junction, opposite Prudential Bank, your be one new branch on them. After circle or don't rise your opposite EcoBank branch, our Osu Oxford Street, Tama, Waterworks, any one of my Franco, El
Ebisu Madina, Hacho, Koforidia, Ho, and Kaswa, and our friend 0302 225651 and a 0546 133188.
Franco Trading Enterprise, still from Papa Fee, and you're not going.
Medokwame, makume mutafi, vemena, ene wa boy jumama na sweni, Vitamilk ifajuju wakuma.
Oh, medofopa, uni makuma swadie, medase.
Any cheers,
Any cheers. Vitamilk, moton.
Missy, unomana umwacho save form.
Na esama wo apomoding.
Na what can you say? Apomodie mo ding.
Owudim brebi, kanwakuma swadie na menyamao.
Okay. Mepe Brazilian hair, Peruvian nails, eyeshadow and lashes, heels and sneakers.
Hey, Madam Oliver Twist, always asking for more.
For Mr. Hair.
Vitamilk,
Triani Ankasa.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Said your Mako Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. I could do Mancasa. And to me come and says me, Beyond Trasima Stroke, and come to the Beyond Trasi Emma Dumpemia, dear Cassa, and as a boy, dear, and come to them with you.
Some make us show now what you home boy. Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. A senior want to say, I come and peri peri, Emma when you saw actually war, near Kuro Etuno, near Anka, Ewananum, Obana, Bemo Power, and Yarwankaye. Greenfield were ultra modern laboratory, any diagnosing machine. What is kind of human system was signed on at Jinko Galic Plus. A boosty immune system. Scientific Herbal Clinic. One more number at Jogon Last Stop Estate Junction. Press 0243 983906 and now 0261 651898.
Greenfield.
God is our healer.
Greenfield.
Your last hope.
Adom 106.3. Bomodiana Shannon Sumami said Vitamilk. Greenfield Scientific Herbal, the Franco Trading, the Swasini. Now, the Faber also. Everywhere. Pacho. Yabasia, then Pensivno. Atwaso. Honorable titles, Glover. Ewa, Sanso, and Kwekuwahiwa. And many titles say Shatter family members. Honorable, all your member.
I'm a serious Shatter fan.
Yeah.
Uba MPP circles, Uba Tema. Medium the flame near Shatter. We've been working hard. Babylons bring we down. They can't tame we down and pull we down. My fans give me this one. Abodobidi. I'm a guy when you were fee. You were fee.
And yes, I'm a Casamimbo for 6 months and can go the Oshas income boy.
Smart me the me choice in Pomun Asam. Among and one me Peshata Asam, me a stone boy Asam, me Ubiana Lady Ukra, we and you when I'm born on this time. A bonny.
Yes, God is no the bonfire. We'll be right back.
Mama says we now use pig milk in this family, but it's new pig green. That's why these days breakfast is fresh like that.
Pig green, now available in 30-gram sachet. Here's what people are saying about the GCB Easy Pick.
It just makes sense.
It just makes sense.
It just makes sense.
It just makes sense. Yes, saving makes a lot more sense now. GCB Bank will pay for anything you buy from phones, TVs, air conditioners, generators, solar equipment to roofing sheets from any GCB partner shop. And you can pay back later at a reduced price of up to 25% in discounts. Simply walk into any GCB partner shop, pick up what you want at a GCB discount price and fill a form. GCB will pay for you so you can pay back later in installments. Go, get it sooner, get it cheaper, pay later. GCB Easy Pick, it just makes sense. Terms and conditions apply.
GCB Bank, your bank for life.
Sasso come prakono wa ho. Sasso.
Your friend Miss Cecilia, maybe be a supermarket will be a ye be bree. And feed do a best in corner. Not me person me tre me jumenumo.